Then we have is last side active and boarding length, nothing new. Is constant. Is first slide, nothing new also. We have done all this screen. Okay, this is new. Now, okay, when you want to make sure dimension and you are getting width of screen, and that is in the form of percentage, you can use this get dimension or dimension.get windows width, and then you can do it like this. You can use this, and when you come somewhere like let me show you how to do it. Is it somewhere? No, I've not used that one. Width. This width over here, it is 100%. So you can use that. Let me see whether there is somewhere where I used it right away. Wait. That is another width 100%. Yeah, it is here. But this one was being used when we were